today's video, I'm opening this GoPro and Hero 5. It's black, waterproof. I'm very excited. I'm gonna use this for my future video. I'm finally opening it. Wow, it has a button. It has a cute little picture. I like it. Let's get it out. Oh, it comes with two holders, a charger, and a battery. We'll be doing the video and trying it out outside, but first I need to take this out. Oh, look how close it is. It's cute, huh? Really cute. It has a little picture with it. Alright guys, I'm outside. I told you I'm gonna use the GoPro for my future videos. And I hope you guys like the image. And let's go check it out. I hope you guys hear me because there's some machines, some cars, and some other things, and you can hear my level. And I hope you guys like the image and the sound quality. If you guys like this video, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll catch you guys later. Bye.